Good afternoon, good evening, good night, everybody. I hope you're doing great. Happy Thursday, 12th of March, 2026. It is day 25. Can you believe it? Day 25 of the chili ops. And what I've picked out here, as you can see, these are our best runners at the moment, our best sellers, our high flyers. So I just thought we'd have a look at each one. These are probably the best of each type of chili that we've got. We can have a look at the rest of them afterwards, but I've just picked out the ones that seem to be doing the best. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing a water and fertilization for them because it's been a week. I know the soil is still quite damp on some, but I just want to get just a little kiss of fertilized water on the bottom, just a little dunk for like, I don't know, 30 seconds if that, just to get a bit of nutrients in, just because they are getting to a stronger stage now, and they are at the point where I believe some of them are going to have to get out of the bigger cups or get into bigger pots already. And that's a little concerning because the weather is turned. It's just started storming, and it's going to be, I believe, -degrees on the weekend. So yeah, I know the last frost isn't due until around about mid to the end of April. But yeah, I think I need to invest in some bigger cups or bigger pots, because as you can see, some of these have really outgrown them. Let's have a little look through. Enough of me rambling on. Again, I hope you're doing great. We're doing great. Hope you're having a lovely day, stress-free. You're doing what you want and not worrying about what others are saying and thinking. You just do your thing, and if anyone's got a problem with it, it's their problem, isn't it? Yeah, all right. Let's check them out. Okay, first up is our habanero. I've only got a couple of these. They're not doing the best, but I suppose they're just slow growers. For 25 days they should be a lot bigger, but this is probably the smallest chili type that we've got. Slowest speed, sorry, of growth. But let's keep them going and we'll see what happens with them. The black jalapeno. I've only got 2 of these. Quite leggy, but they're coming along. I really think I have hope. Let's see if they make it. The Buena Mulata, just stunning leaves. I can't wait to see. I hope this plant makes. I do have 3 of these, I believe, 3 or 4 maybe, and I just hope they make it through, because they're supposed to be cayennes that are purple. You know, I can't wait to get them in the stir fry and see how they are. But looking good. Again, the colours just mind-blowing, beautiful. Keeping the purples going, we've got the dream catcher here. I think I have about 5, maybe 6. Okay, and these leaves, the markings, just stunning. And the Zimbabwe black, just the one Zimbabwe black. I think he's going along nicely. Again, those leaves are nuts. But we got a couple of fresh light green leaves there. That's come along within the last 24 hours, I believe. Looking good. Here's the sweet banana. Just the one. And the leaves are looking beautiful. Look at that. Very nice. Here is the Zebrange. But look at those leaves. I cannot wait to try these. Stripy orange bell pepper, crown bell pepper looking craziness. Beautiful. And the regular jalapeno pepper. Looking great. Nice strong broad leaves. Here we have the Tabasco. I have 3 of these, and this is the best grower so far. Looking good. Looking forward to making some Louisiana style sauce for this one. And here is the large orange Thai. Quite tilted. I need to make sure he's directly under the light so he can straighten up. Looking alright. Then we've got 2 or 3 of these. And the cayenne. Getting some extra leaves in the middle coming through. Do have some of these in the cups. This is the best grow at the moment. Obviously it's in the bigger pot, so that makes sense. Do need to turn him towards the light because he is tilted quite a bit. But he'll adjust, straighten up, I'll all be good. The Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. These leaves are crazy, look at those. I'm going to assume it's going to be quite a broad, bushy plant with leaves like this. But again, this is probably the one I'm looking forward to the most. Have a look online. Sugar Rush Peach Stripies. These peppers look amazing. Scotch Bonnet MOAs. Super stuff. Leaves are coming along nicely. I do have one about the same kind of state in the bigger pot, but I thought let's show this one. The Ghost Peppers. Again, I still can't get over how well these have done. Got 3 of these and they're all pretty much the same. The one is a little bit smaller than the other 2, but they are just, yeah, doing their thing. And here we have the Armageddon. This is the best performer out of the 3 that I've got. And there's already been at least 2 sets of new leaves within the last 24 to 48 hours. Absolutely incredible. Again, if you can eat these, bravo to you. I won't be touching them. These will be getting sold or given away. So, yep, power to you. And here is the Carolina Reaper. I have 3 of these. This is the best grow so far out of the 3. The leaves have kind of overlapped themselves, but yeah, looking good. And last but by no means least, look at these Kashmiri Merch. These are the ones to grow, my goodness. In the bigger pots. There they are. And then in the cup, I think I've got about 6 of these, but again, I think we're going to need to up pot, because let me show you why I chose the clear cups. You can see the root system. It's already made its way through. It's coming along, just about started on the bottom, look. So this is going to need up potting very, very soon. For now, we'll give it a fertilizer and a drink. Everything will get sorted tomorrow, and then we will be able to up pot as we go, as these chili plants grow and grow. Let's take a little look upstairs, get all these back under the lights, and I can show you the lot and how they're all doing on day 25. Okay, back upstairs. Apart from this one Bueno Mulatto, I think he's had his chips. Everything else seems to be looking okay. Again, this is the first time I've tried this. I'm not an expert. Any help, advice, tips for sure will be greatly welcomed and appreciated. But I do think everything's going all right, I think. Let's see what the next 25 days hold. But as far as I'm concerned, majority of these plants are growing really well, and I think are gonna be able to produce productive pods and peppers in the long term. I really appreciate you guys checking in, giving this a view, taking your precious time out to watch today. Have a wonderful Thursday. You take care of yourself. Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. You take care, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.